Welcome back. Today we're going to talk about a little bit of ease for your mouth. I've been using these two products for a long time. Um, Tongue bite's always an issue with pipe smokers. It's mostly, that steam that heats up and comes through the pipe and irritates your mouth. What I found that works real consistent, because pipe smoking does dry your mouth out to some extent, especially if you're a back-to-back smoker. This is what I found to help with your mouth: Biotene. Now, this is a mouthwash for dry mouth, and there's another advantage to this. It's not alcohol based, so it's not really gonna, like a fluoride where it just burns the crap out of your mouth. And, they want you to think that it's burning everything out. But it's irritating it even worse. I also use the Biotene toothpaste. And see this right here? Number one for dentists. When you mention this at the dentist, they don't say nothing. But that doesn't prevent other stuff from happening. But I've been using these two for years, and it's been real helpful far as mouth irritation, especially if you're using like a fluoride or like an alcohol-based fluoride. That just burns. It irritates everything, and you will become very frustrated because what tongue bite you are getting, you're making it worse. So with the dry mouth Biotene, now they do have like Walmart has a knockoff, and I think CVS and Walgreens have their version of it if you want to save a few bucks. I haven't tried their version, but I'm sure it does just as good if you want to save a few dollars on these products. But that's what I've used over the years. To this day, I'm just used to it, and it doesn't bother me one bit. It cleans, it's toothpaste. It's more, I guess, especially formula to not irritate. That's on here. To not irritate. So they do have a mint version, I think. These are just the standard. Oh, this is the Freshman original. There is another one. It's kind of green label or something. I assume that was mint. But anyway, this is a very good product. They're not doing anything for me to promote it, but it's just something to help you with if you're having trouble with your mouth, and does get irritated, and you're not trying these products, I would highly recommend it. I would highly recommend it, because I had the issue many years ago, before I figured out how to get rid of tongue bite in general. But when I had that issue, I looked into some type of mouth care, and Listerine just isn't that isn't the answer. So Biotene really is a good product. So to save it, if you want the name brand, I do go to Walmart to buy mine. I think they're a few dollars cheaper. This is the big jug. So you can save, I think, $1 or $2 versus like the grocery store. So another thing I want to quickly mention here, another quick tip, is crazy as you might think this is. I learned this from a fellow piper many years ago. And so say you're at a pipe show, pipe meetup, and you just want to smoke back to back. You want to try all these new things, and you just want to keep going. It's a marathon for you. In between bowls, you have that you know, leftover remnant of the previous bowl, or if you're bouncing around from English to aromatic to vapors or whatever. Yeah. Don't laugh because it works. In between bowls, put a handful of tortilla chips in your mouth. For some reason, that just cleans your palate out. And then move on to the next bowl. So the next pipe show you go to, stop at the grocery store and pick up a bag of tortilla chips to snack on in between pipes. All right, that's all I got, and we'll see you on the next video.